Alright guys, let's see what happens here. Earlier I had a horrible time trying to figure out how to get this thing to fly. It will not just automatically fly, so we're going to go look for the app and see what it does. The Hubsan app is right here. Start the app. Not sure about parameters. I just want it to take off. Oh, it's asking me to do compass calibration. Compass calibration. Calibrate yourself. Now it wants me to do the other part of the calibration. Is it calibrated? I guess it forces you to calibrate every time. You can see I'm going to start it off on my favorite biology box. We've got the RC Sailors amazing plane over there. Can we get this to fly though? Are you ready to take off? Yes, I am. All right.
The home point has been updated.
Off we go.
Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
Let's see. It's right over my head. I don't know how the gimbal works. It's pretty stable I would say. Is the gimbal gonna zoom down? I want to see the Yishin plane. Oh, there it is. And the pizza box. All right, so we've got flight. That's good. It wouldn't fly in the kitchen, but we're gonna take it up. Let's go for a nice flight. Ooh. It's struggling with altitude positioning. I don't know why. Is the wind really that hard to deal with? I don't know. Probably not. But it's up there. That's already a good thing right there. It's up there. It's up there. Look at that. It's up there. At least we haven't lost control of it yet. You never know what's going to happen next, right? Let's see if I can find myself. Where is that strange looking guy? Oh, there he is. I have no idea how to do the tracking. I should have paid better attention to Alicia and Mao's awesome video on how to do that. So I'm looking through the settings right now. Just sitting there, looking at myself. I don't know. Oh, looks like some awesome people are here to play soccer. That's cool. Let's just go right over. Stay away from children. Be very careful how you fly. Hi. Just making sure everybody stays safe. So there we go. I'm gonna see what's going on here. I'm gonna keep it nice and stable and low, as I always do. And we'll go check out the field a little bit. But I would like to figure out how to do the active tracking. You're getting pretty good video back. Currently there is no video micro SD card in there, so you will not get to see a fantastic video from the camera itself. You'll just get the recording from hopefully the phone, if that works. Do I like this drone? I think I really like it. For now, it's very, very stable and easy to control. Does it have as good of the altitude hold as DJI? No. It does drift a little bit in the wind, but hey, you know, so far I'm really enjoying the flight, so I don't have anything bad to say about it, except for the app, because I can't tell how I would like to do the auto tracking. I just don't know where that is in the settings. So I'm gonna gander and see if one of these buttons does something. That's gimbal, so no, don't press that. Let's see what else we got here. There's another button there. It says auto something. I'm not gonna touch that either. I don't know. I'll really have to go and check the instructions on everything, but as you can see here, it is very, very stable. I don't know if there's a circle me or whatever the thing, or better settings just for camera and stuff like that, but I'm getting decent feedback, and I'm using an old DJI phone, so as you can see here, I can go left and right, no problem, forward, I can see where I'm going, and I'm getting great video back to the drone. Perfect line of sight. So I'm looking at the drone the whole time. I can fly through the camera or looking directly at it, and it's, super stable out there. It's a good change. It's a good change because I was just flying the Ishin F-22 Raptor Mini, and I was flying the very, very unstable, but slightly better now that I re-engineered Ranger 400 from Volantex. So this is a good change from that. I mean, I've got perfect control over this. I could just land it maybe even on the Pyology box. We'll try that. Let's see how stable this is. Let's see if we can get a nice picture. I'm going to step back so that you won't hear so much of the noise. Let's go take a look at that awesome Ishin plane from the perspective of a cool drone. Let's get closer to it. See how well we can take a video of just the plane. Here we go, coming down. Let's go real close to that plane and see how we can do stuff around it. Can we orbit? We can orbit pretty well. I'm liking the controls on this. I should try one of the car too, of the Toyota RAV4, and see how that goes. I don't know if we have any zoom. The gimbal worked just really beautifully well, so we'll have to look at the instructions for the zoom. Can gimbal it down even further and get closer. There we go. It's pretty good, pretty good. Let's see if we can land on the pizza box, no problem. Just the way I do with DJI. Let's see. I think we'll probably be able to do it.
Landing.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect landing on the let's gimbal it up so you guys can see where we are. We are on the Pyology box, no problem, and it looks like we're Maverick tailing an F-22 Raptor. I would say that this was a very successful flight, very first flight. It is a maiden flight for this Hubsan Xeno SE, and yeah, so I mean, I like it. I wonder what you guys think about it, but I'm gonna give it some pretty good marks because it was really easy to fly, and it did really well. So if you guys haven't got yourself a nice shirt from the RC Sailors, you probably should get yourself one, or Captain Drone shirt. And there's plenty of other awesome shirts you can get, but I got some of those. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Let's see if we can end the recording here. And it's been 8 minutes of fantastic flying. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Have an awesome day.